how to embed Instagram feed on website. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So for this tutorial, we're actually going to use this else site website, which is right here. So once you are now here on the website, the next thing that we need to do is to click on the widgets. So click on the widgets, and once you are now here, just click on the Instagram feed, which is right there. And of course, we have a direct link which will redirect you into this page where you can immediately edit it. So just check the description box down below, and then of course the pinned comment, so you will see it right there. Now, of course, once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to scroll down until you see this select a template to start with. So you will have a bunch of options right here. So you have 7 options, and then what we're going to click is the post slider. So just click this, and then of course click continue with this template. Now once you click that, you will have the source type, which is account and hashtag. If you want to use the account, so you can do that, or if you want to use hashtag, you can also do that. So let's say, for example, for the hashtag, we're going to use the hashtag Saturday right there, and then just click search right here. Once it is done, you will be able to see it right here. Once the posts have been collected, just click the done button right here, and then click add to website for free. And then of course you will be redirected, and of course you will need to sign in into your account. So if you haven't created an account yet, you can just do that by just creating, of course. But I will just gonna continue with my Google account. So I'm gonna click this, and then click this one, and then click continue. And then once it is done, you will be redirected again right here. So what we want to do is to click the publish button, which is right there. And then you will be redirected right here, wherein you will be able to see the subscriptions that they have. So you have the free version, the basic version, all the way to the premium version. So if you want to avail the basic, pro, and premium version, you can do that. But let's just go here on the free version. So let's select this. And then once you are now here, just click the copy code. So once you have copied your code, what we want to do next is, of course, just go on your website. And for this instance, I'm just going to use the WordPress to show you how it works. So just go there. And then once you're now here, of course, just go on your site, which you can, of course, add the code that we have just copied. So once you're now here, what we want to do is to click this, and then click the plus icon, and then just scroll down until you see custom HTML, which is right here. Once you're now here, just paste, of course, the code. And then once it is done, just click save, and then click the preview. And then as you can see, this is what it looks like. So if you want to switch, you can just click this one, and then you should now be able to see the slider post that we have just created on Elf site. So that is basically it. That is how to embed Instagram feed on a website.